Hi guys, welcome to a video, and today I'm doing a Lego set again. If you haven't already watched episode 1, 2, 3 and 4, you go and watch them, because then it will get you up to date. And that's what I got so far. So here I go with some more. So go. You won't see my face, but you'll hear me talking with my old yes. And there. These pieces. And put that. And that is like that. Now put that piece on. This piece on. So basically, this set did come with stickers. I put the stickers on already. Because this is a set that I broke, so I could redo it. Well, not personally broke it. So yeah, obviously not perfectly, perfectly. Sorry about that. Perfect. You know what I'm trying to say, perfectly try and break it, but it broke. So here I am, redoing it on camera, camera. So yeah. Anyway, get that pieces and found it. It's because to go like that. That. Oh, let's put this back up first. So this is correct. And this can go forwards. And that like that. So it looks like this. And that one. This one all the way there. These two complete the roof. And that one. Only up two. I have a not one of these, but I have dark ones, so I need to. Thought that white one would come in handy at some point. I from one of my other Lego sets, I took a piece from it. So from one of my other Lego sets, I took this white piece from it, just in case I needed it for this Lego set, and I do need it for this Lego set, so lucky I took it. Now, will be a full piece. So this here, this white piece here, is supposed to be a dark piece, a dark brown piece. So it's supposed to be this colour.
Okay, by the way, Mum, I got the address of my friend. It's a 26-minute walk. I got my friend's address. It's 20. I'm not counting, I was just telling you. I'll tell you the address now. It's 29 Chambers Road. 26-minute walk. They want to know what time. I'll just say I'm not in.
Right. Got this piece and got this piece. And connect these two together. And this goes like that. And this goes. If I connect it on. You get it in the right position. Because I need 1, 2, 3. Go. Boom. 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 This is where that piece comes in. Like that. So we are getting ready to go out somewhere, so I need to finish this. And then it's till I come back or something like that. I'm back, so a bit mayhem today, guys, so yeah. This is quite long, so I might just do a little bit more, and then I'm going to stop and continue later.
Mum?
Sorry, that was my brother just speaking there. You might be able to hear him. You might not, because I do have my headphones on. But that doesn't mean that audio might be disrupted. Right, because I do have my headphones on. But it's okay. So yeah. That. And okay. And it's 1, 2, 3. 4. 5. Count. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. I need one more. Where would that last one be? Yeah. I'm just getting this part here done, and then the stitches here is getting quite long. Thank you. And 6. That looks like. And I'm just gonna do a couple. Let's put these 2 things on, and then I'll leave it there because it takes a long time to do it. Right. Yeah, put on this side. So this is what the instruction I've done right now. Bye! Give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see me do next. After this, like I said, bye!